When you choose PT for testing that doesn't neatly fit any of the types we've talked about in other videos, it isn't performance, it isn't manageability, it isn't deployment, it isn't services, it's in an area that we broadly speak of as custom testing, you still have an amazing array of options. We have done a huge array of these in our 21 plus years. You want to measure the experience of ordering your PC and configuring it and how long it takes for the PC to hit you. We can go be a secret shopper. We actually go buy the PCs from you and from the competition, and we measure all of those factors. Camera quality, we can have juries of people select that, whether they're juries from the PT staff or people we recruit from outside the company. We can make things hotter, we can make things cooler, we can see how well they handle it, and sometimes the results are quite amazing. All of these different preferences are things that we can turn into science and measure. Another type of study that you might not think PT could do is what I'll call the longitudinal study, how well something behaves over time. For one client, we did a study of a storage array over the course of a year, how well it behaved, how its performance changed, and just what it was like to use that solution for an entire year. Another interesting question, particularly in today's world of hotter data centers as they're facing the load of AI-based servers and tremendous power draws, is just how well do different servers handle it when the data centers heat up. This is not a simple thing to test because you actually have to heat up a space and heat it up in the way that real data centers would heat up. But we've done that too. We're actually constructing special devices to apply heat in the correct ways and measured how different servers responded as the heat went up and up and up. Any aspect of your solution, anything that's measurable, we can study, we can compare it to earlier solutions of yours and to the competition, and really the possibilities are endless.